Oranese. Efamu oye nwa mmadụ ka anyị na-ebi. Onye akụmaazị ụmụọchaka omewo chief ọchịkọrọ Igbo ọnụ nwa gburugburu nke izizi n'ala Nigeria. Ọrụ nna arụ ije ikpo okike ụmụnne ncha n'ụwa ụzọ ọhụrụ obodo ofu obi arụ ọrụ. Efamu onye nwa mmadụ ka anyị na-ebi. Onye akụmaazị ụmụọchaka a cannot is local government era. Bere nwa kike na abafo. Omeni enanya background. Ihe karịa ahụ ni palace, ihu palace abafo kare. Great abafo kingdom. Among all the kingdoms or communities in Delta North, it is only Abavo that had the highest clan that come together as a place called kingdom. Abavo has 17 clans that makes up Abavo. I'm happy to announce to you people, my fans and my followers, that I just ran into the senior brother to Sunday Oliseh, Nigeria, former Nigeria Super Eagle
and captain.
Tifisoro. You know Sunday Oliseh when Ofune did you know Ofune Jono Rabi when they born.
Okay. When they born. Name Sunday.
Sunday Oliseh. When Mwamu Abavo have been one call. One call. Nebia and Ne Wunya Bavo. Okay.
Ne Wunya Bavo.
Okay.
Nedioku. I live in your no. Or no bar.
But the only lebe Canada.
Ebede no
Ukwuani. But only Sunday Oliseh in Onya Bidiko.
Onyo Kwani ko bo Sunday Oliseh. I don't know. Onyo Kwani ko bo don't know.
O kali ebibi, o kali ebibi.
Sunday Oliseh no Bidiko. Ukwuani national television kono.
Boss na ya bụ n'onye Igbo. Okunisha bụ onye Igbo. Okunisha bụ onye Igbo.
Inwe number. Obi ị na-eme WhatsApp. Eme send me bono kwe.
Okunisha bụ onye Igbo.
Ihe mmare.
All political statement according to me.
This one
Asonye
Abavo.
No, Nebia
Onye bede bed.
But now Bavu kono mo korobia mienta.
Kegedi everything.
Wow.
Ojejerizere.
Yes. But
okay, Nebia Jerizere. Ono na se fire. Wow. Oh.
Ọkpaluku anọ dị na nne mmadụ. Olu na ọkpaluku na anọ we.
I know you dey go your position.
Ọkpaluku apụrụ.
Onye North aka Igbo, aka nne Abavo, aka Delta South, aka nna Ebede, yeah, Delta North, sorry, aka nne Delta North, that is Aka South, aka nne there is Abavo, aka nne Ebede na Kwale.
Ebede no Kwale.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Sunday Oliseh, listen to me, I'm your brother. If you deny me next time,
Just
if you deny me next time, I will carry goat come to.
I'm not saying the water will go carry.
I will carry cow come to Ebede, come and summon you.
Thank God is around. So if you want to book, you want to see the person you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sunday Oliseh onye Ukwuani ka Igbo, ọ bụ ya mali wale. Unu na-agwa ka mali o. Ukwuani bụ Igbo, anyị bụ ndị Ukwuani bụ ndị Igbo.
Okay, down this way.
So stop denying your Igbo identity, Sunday Oliseh. Ishi agwale.
In this world, don't do anybody evil. When they tell you this world is very small, what is very small? Best believe it. Because you can never tell when you jam your enemy. Let it be that people are persecuting you for saying the truth. Let it not be that people are persecuting you for lying against them. Hey, Agalacha must come back home. The chicken has returned back to be roasted. Sunday Ogorchukwu Oliseh. You see your life. You people watch the video, you can see. One thing I love about these people that they are not claiming Sunday Oliseh. They are not claiming him. The way Sunday Oliseh has achieved you know, celebrity status and a big name in Nigerian Super Ego, people would have thought that these village people are claiming him, but they are not. They say now our Pikini be, but now him mother be our person. In father na from Egbede in Ukwuani. Do you understand it? They are not claiming like the way the Rabi News are claiming Rema. Say because he grew up here, we must claim him. No. And another thing I want to understand, why is Oliseh not being bold to tell people say it's from Ukwuani? I've been claiming to be Agbafo. Yes, I understand that you grew up there. You are more or less from that place. Just like somebody they born in America saying I'm an American citizen. We understand. But you know your village, because as of today, they said his father went back home to become the Opaluku, which also show that they are Igbos, because it is only Igbo that practice the Opaluku system, where the eldest man in the clan become the leader of the Ogbe or the quarters or the village. The Opaluku system, the way we sit down, even yesterday meeting that we had, we sat down according to the age of everybody. This is what we are talking about. Anyway, I've told you people we are going to be here for 10 good years to be debunking the lies. Whether it's told by our person here or it's told by people outside, we are going to be here. And then also be a social cultural organization and Igbo Unification Movement. We'll be here to be exposing the lies, making everybody to know the truth. We are not making this video to mock Oliseh. We are making it so that next time, whoever you think you are, do not lie against your people because you believe what people are saying. If you don't know the truth, ask questions. Or if you don't know the truth, you better keep quiet, because a fool is counted wise when he keeps his mouth shut. I'm out of here, Joe. Mwah.